the second loop, and also you have to find out the current in the branch, and also you have to find out the potential difference between point A and then B. I have said, irrespective of the values of voltages here, values of voltages and then values of the resistors, what will happen in the circuit we will see. What happens, this battery will give some current here. Let us consider I1 current. This battery is giving I1 current. Then from that battery, what is coming here? I1 is coming, and then it is passing through the resistor. Everything is there in which combination? Series combination. Let me take here the current of 2 amperes is coming. So that current of 2 amperes is passing here, and then it came here. What it find? Branch is there. So that there is an extra branch is there here. So what should happen generally? It has to split. So it is splitting as here 1 ampere, here also 1 ampere. Now, but the loop law is based on what? Conservation of energy. Correct? Loop law is based on the conservation of energy, and the junction law is based on conservation of charge we will take. So here you just leave about the junction law. First of all, this battery is giving how much current? Nothing but 2 amperes current. So how much current has to enter in the battery? Again 2 amperes only. It is giving 2 amperes means it has to be entered by the 2 amperes current only always. Why? Because everything is there in which combination here? Series combination. So whenever it is not taking 2 amperes, let me take only 1 ampere current is taken by the battery. Then how the energy will be conserved there? Some of the energy is gone already here. Clear? The energy given by the battery should be gained by the same battery again in the back. Again it has to come back to the same battery again. So here 2 amperes current is giving nothing but again 2 amperes current only has to go here. Otherwise 1 ampere is splitting here and then another ampere is splitting here means, okay, 1 ampere will go happily in this direction. In this direction what happens here? Only 1 ampere is coming. It is given how much? 2 amperes. Gaining is how much? 1 ampere. Is that conserved? It is not conserved. So that it is violating the law of conservation. So what you have to do? Nothing but you should not give any current to this. Directly 2 amperes will go here and then here. Then energy is conserved. Whatever the current given by the battery is the current gained by the battery. Same only. Now whenever you come to the second loop, let me take the second loop is giving the current of 4 amperes here. Now second battery is giving the current of 4 amperes. That 4 amperes is giving nothing but it has to gain how much again? 4 amperes only. So that it has to gain the 4 amperes means the 4 amperes has to come here. It has to come here nothing but it should not get splitted here. It should not go anywhere. It should be keep on rotating in this loop only. So what happens here? What is the current in this branch particularly? 0. Why? Because nobody is giving the current. This is not giving, even this is also not giving. Why? Because this is giving the 2 amperes, again it wants the 2 amperes. It is giving the 4 amperes, again this is want the 4 amperes. Now there is no current is flowing in this branch. And of course battery is there. But the current flow in this branch is how much? Nothing but that is a 0 current. So I in this branch is 0. You understand, right? So now give me the values and then I will tell you what is the currents and all. 5 volts, huh? Then this one is 2 na, this 2 na, 3, okay, this 10 I think, this 1 no, this 1 no. These are the values given, 10 volts and then 1 ohm like that. Now you have to find out the currents here, and this is how much here I think, 10 na, 3 volts and then this is 3 ohms. So current through the 3 ohms resistor is how much? Obviously 0. Now in this the current flow is there, that is, let me take the I1. And then this is a current I2. What is I1? 1 you will get. I1 is 1, I2 is 5 you will get. So I1 is 1 ampere and then I2 is 5 amperes. Did you get that? Just by applying the KVL, that's it, you will get the current value there. New student, huh? Bench repair, no, if you see the Prajwal and then him, what is the comparison? Prajwal is student and then he is not student. Yeah. So here current we got 1 ampere and then I2 is how much here? 5 amperes. In this current flow is how much? In this branch current flow is how much? 0. Off the video, pass it. I don't know who is the student and then who is the worker also. See here I1 is 1 ampere and then I2 is 5 amperes. In this current flow is how much here? 0. Everybody got this answer. Now this one is important, you have to understand this one mainly. Between the two loops, that might be any loops, any number of batteries, otherwise any number of the resistors, but always whenever I connect the two loops here by using any number of resistors or batteries again, in this what is the current flow? Nothing but I is equals to how much? 0. Why? Because whatever the current is leaving in this loop, that has to again enter here only. Even in this also it should be same only. So here there is no current flow. You have to remember this structure always. Here one loop and also one more loop. In between them what is the current flow? Nothing but there is 0. And now here you have to find out the potential difference between the A and B, means you can either travel in this direction or in this direction or otherwise in this direction, any direction, but look at the potential difference is same only. Anybody got that? How much? 11. 11 is the correct answer. So here start at A. Let me give some names for this: C, D, E, F and then B, like that. I will travel from A, C, D, E, F and then B finally. Otherwise you can travel directly from A, C, D, B only. We will see both of the answers will be correct or not. Now A, C, D, E, F, B. At A I have started, how much current is flowing here? 1 ampere, right? I1. Now what I can write? VA and then minus what I can write? 3I1, and then here I am going in the battery, we are going from positive terminal to negative terminal, higher potential to lower potential. What will you get? Minus 3 volts. In this current flow is how much? 0. So current is 0 there. Next I am coming here. Here I got a resistor. Then that is how much? I2 into I2 into 1. And then after that we are getting the point B again directly, VB. Now this is VA minus 3 into I1 is how much? 1 only. Minus 3 minus I2 is how much here? 5. That is equals to VB. And then VA minus VB is equals to how much? You will get 11. 11 volts is the potential here. Otherwise I will follow this path, A, C, D, B. Let us check. So starting at A, VA, and then again what we got? First of all resistor 3 minus 3I1 going to point C. At point C we got a battery, so that is of how much you will get? Minus 3, and then directly here how much current is? 0. Then voltage also how much? 0 only. Then here directly we got a battery, higher potential to lower potential. What will you get there? Minus 10, and then directly VB. Then resistor also there, na? In the resistor how the current was flowing? In this direction, but we are traveling in which direction? Opposite direction. So what will you get here? Plus 5 into I2, that is equals to how much? Plus 5 into 1, I2 into 1, that is equals to how much? VB. Listen again. VA minus 3I minus 3, because higher potential to lower potential. Here current is how much? 0. So the net voltage is how much here? 0 only. Again plus 10 volts battery, and then higher potential to lower potential, nothing but what will you get? Minus. Again we got a resistor. In that resistor there is a current flow. I2 current flow is there in this direction, but we are traveling in opposite direction. So what will you get here? Plus I2 into 1 ohm, that is equals to VB. Now VA minus 3I1 is how much? 1 only of course. Then minus 3 minus 10. I2 is how much here? 5. That is equals to VB. How much you will get again? Minus 5. Again VA minus VB is equals to how much? 11. Same answer. Otherwise you can even follow this route also. Any route that might be, always the energy will be conserved. You will get the same potential difference only. Clear? Copy that. And also you write this note point. In the branch which is connected in between two loops, there will be zero current. Note on that. కూలర్ వస్తుందా అసలు? వస్తుందా? అదృష్టవంతులు రా మీరు, ఏసీ ముందు కూర్చున్నారు అసలు క్లాస్లో. రైట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం. Find the current flowing through the 5 ohms resistor. Find the current flowing through 5 ohms resistor. We are discussing about the combination of cells, by the way. Use that technique only. What is the current flowing there? What is the answer? Four is the correct answer. Why you are thinking that much? Parallel combination, right? Parallel combination nothing but same potential, obviously. You will get the same potential. See here, same EMFs are there, by the way. Voltages are same here. If the voltages are different, nothing but at that time there will be a potential difference. So here, same voltages, nothing but here 20. Here 20 means here also how much? 20. Here of course 20 only. There is no need to take separately. So here 20 and then here this is 0 means this is also 0, 0, 0. Here some of the people might be thinking that you will get the 40. That's wrong. Which combination this is? Parallel combination. Parallel combination nothing but potential is same. Currents will be different. Potential will be same. So here potentials are same and then current will be different. That current only you have to find out. So here this is 20 means this is also 20. This is also 20. And then here 0 potential is there. Now tell me what is the current? Current is equals to potential difference. How much that is? 20 minus 0 by 5. That will be how much? 4 amperes. That's the answer for that. Then next problem. Now tell me what is the answer? Zero is the answer there. Answer is 0. Do you remember that two batteries? You just forget about the logics and all. Do you remember that 2 batteries are in parallel? What is the formula? E net is equals to what is the formula we got? 2 batteries in parallel. E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Now these are unlike poles, right? So what will get here? Minus. So whatever the internal resistance might be, the 20 volts battery only they are giving. So internal resistors also same only, of course. So what will get here? 20 minus 20 nothing but how much will get? 0. So the potential difference is how much? Nothing but there is 0 potential difference is there. So here if I take this one as 20 means this one also 20, this one also 20. Okay, finished. Then what about this one? This one is also 20, right? Then this is 20, this is 20, this is 20. Everywhere is 20 only. Then current flow is how much? 0. There will be no current flow. There will be no potential difference. So I is equals to here 20 minus 20 by 5. That will be how much? 0 amperes. Clear? Then next problem. Next problem. Right, find the current flow. Find the current flowing in AB. Find the current flowing in AB. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್, ಏನೋ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಇನ್ AB. One point five. No? 1.5. No, 1.5 is not the answer. 6/5 is the correct answer. 1.2. 6/5 is the correct answer. Yes, you got that. Very good. 6/5 is the correct answer. Just see that. What I will do is just see. Look at the board. I am just lifting it and then I am just keeping here. Is there any problem in that? I am just lifting it up and then keeping here. That will be easy method. Otherwise I can tell you directly here also, but then you can understand easily. So here what I am doing, nothing but I am getting a first battery of 4 volts here. Of internal resistance is how much? 4 ohms. Now this one, the bottom one, I am just lifting and then keeping here, so that this is also having how much voltage? 4 volts, and the resistance is 4 ohms, and of course AB terminal is there. Between the AB, how much battery is there here? 10 volts battery, and the resistance of 3 ohms. Yes, you understand? Now you just reduce this circuit in the parallel combination of batteries. Why? Because I said across the AB means you should never change anything in the AB. That is the main methodology in solving the problems. Whenever I said you have to find out across the, in the combination of resistors also, you will get this kind of problem, right? Whenever I ask between the AB means you should not touch the AB. I said it already. Always you have to start from the other side only. So here also in the same way, here I asked between the AB means you should not touch the AB. You should not do any alterations in the AB. You have to take the other circuit only. So this other circuit is just minimize. This one is a 4 volts, and then E1, E2, R1, R2 I have given. So in the parallel combination, equal voltages and then equal resistors are given. So what is the potential difference? Same or different? Same batteries, right? Same potential. So how much potential will be there? Nothing but again how much will get? 4 volts only. And then here resistance. How much will get? 4 and then 4 in parallel combination. How much answer will get? 2 ohms. So that only here 2 ohms. Then after that again here 10 volts and then here 3 ohms. This is a point A and then B. Now here in 4 volts and then 2 ohms and then 10 volts and then 3 ohms is there. Now you apply the KVL. What will get here? You have to apply the KVL. What will get here? Let me start at this point. So let me start otherwise A. I am starting at A. Then what will get here? Minus 10. Then minus 3I. Minus 2I. What will you get then? Are you okay? Otherwise shall I show you again that video only? Yes. So here A, I am starting at A, and then higher potential to lower potential, minus 10, minus 3I, minus 2I. How much will you get here? Plus 4. Plus 4 is equals to 0. Then what will you get here? 5I. Is that everything is okay? 5I minus 6, yes, I is equals to 6/5. Nothing but 1.2 amperes. You understand, right? How to minimize the circuit? Without applying the KVL also, I will tell you one shortcut technique for this. Whenever you see everything is connected in the whenever I just open this point, so in which combination everything is there? Series combination. Series combination, nothing but what will get? I is equals to net voltage by net resistance only. The net voltage is how much? Nothing but 10 minus 4. right? And then that divided by net resistance is 2 and then 3 only. 2 plus 3 is 5. So that 6 by 5 you will get. Clear? Anyway, you can follow. There you might be confused about the directions. Here what we have done nothing but in the parallel combination what we will take, whenever the opposite polarities are there, at that time what we will write? E1 R2 minus E2 R1 we will write. Same polarities are there, at that time what we will take? Plus we will take. Correct? Pause that video. Okay, minus will come. Minus indicates that who is giving the current? Actually I thought that 4 is giving the current. Now who is the current giving the current here? 10 is giving the current. Why? Because the 10 is the bigger one, right? So that only 10 volts is giving the current. That's it. That is about that problem. Finished? Next. Next one is now find the answer. Find the current between AB. Again. Find the current between AB. Diagram change ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ already. Are you sure? Sure. What is the answer? 0. 0 is the correct answer. ಗಾಳಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಬುಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರೆ ನಾನು 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಅಂತಾರೆ. ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಲೋ. ಏನು ವೋಲ್ಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 4 ಆಯಿತು. Now this circuit, what is the net voltage here you will get? 4 is, I am just lifting this one up here. How much you will get voltage? 4 volts. And the resistance how much you will get? 2. That's it, finished. Now whenever you write the equation, what will you get here? Let me take 4 is giving the current, and then here I will get the higher potential to lower potential, nothing but -4. And then how much here? -4i, and then -2i plus 4 is equals to 0. -4 plus 4 0, and then I is also how much? 0 only. Clear? That is the answer for that, whenever everything is equal. ಏನು +6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರು. ವಾವ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ 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 ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಅವ್ರಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀ, ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪು. ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡಾ? ಯಾರಿಗಣ್ಣ 6 ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರು? +6 ಐ ಕಾಮನು ಇದೆ. 4 -4i -2i -6i, ಸೊ ದಟ್ i is equals to +6. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸಾ? ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯುಯಲ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಆಟಮ್, ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೇ, ಅದು ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ right. See this. Find the current across 5 ohms resistor. How much? Yes, very good. ಸಲ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ. 5 10/7. 10/7 is the correct answer. 3 combinations now. See that the equivalent circuit will get as, here look at this, 10 volts 10 volts 10 volts. So what will get? Parallel combination, right? Again net EMF is how much? 10 volts only. So that 10 volts is the net EMF here. E net is equals to 10 volts. Then resistor 6 and then 6 and then 6. Parallel combination. What will get? 6/3. 6/3 nothing but how much? 2 ohms is the resistor here. Then here 5 ohms resistor is there. Now Total current is total resistance is how much? 7, and the voltage is how much? 10. Then I is equals to voltage by total resistance is 7. That's it. I is equals to 10 by 7 amperes is the correct answer. That's the answer for that. Simple. You understand or not? First of all, yes, you understood, right? Then next problem. Now it is different. ಏನಾಯಿತು? What happened? ಏನಾಯಿತು ಉದಯ್ಗೆ? Now find the current between AB. ಏನಾಯಿತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? What happened? ಎಂದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ನಗಿದ್ರು? ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ? ಹಾಂ ಯುವರಾಜ, ಟೆನ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಕ್ಸಾ? ರಾಂಗ್. ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ AB. Wait 1 second, I think I have given wrong values. 6 4 ఇది 4. ಏನೋ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನಿಮಗೇನೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ನೀವು ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್. ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Seven by 5. Any other answer? ಕೆಳಗೆ 8 ಏನಾ? ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 1 by 13 is the correct answer. 0.8 by 10.4. ಏನು ಉದಯ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? ಉದಯ್ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲನಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ನು ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಾ? ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು? 1 by 13 is the correct answer. 0.8 by 10.4 is the correct answer. Yes, nobody is getting. See that here I have not given in the same voltages, right? If I give this is 8, this is also 8, how much will get here? 8 only, net EMF. But now these are the two different voltages and then two different resistors. At that time you have to follow the method of two cells in the parallel combination. So what is the formula for that? E1 net EMF is equals to what will get? E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Okay, why? Because here two are different. If two are same means what will take? If it is 6 and then this is also 6 means net EMF is how much again? 6 only. But here they have given the different values. Then net EMF is equals to how much will get here? 6 4s are 24 and then 8 6 are 48. How much that is? 72. Correct? 72 divided by 10. 72 by 10 is the net EMF. Now my circuit is becoming like this. E net. And then this is R net. What is the R net value you will get? R net is equals to 4 into 6 by 4 plus 6 only. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. How much you will get? See that 4 into 6 nothing but how much you will get? 24 by 10. 24 by 10 is the R net, and then this is how much here? 72 by 10. And then here external battery is of 8 volts and then external resistance is of 8 ohms. Now this is point A and then this is point B. Now you have to find out the what is that I value here in this branch AB. So how to get that? Net EMF by net resistance only. What is the net EMF here? 8 plus 7, 8 minus 72 by 10 you will get, and then 8 and then 24 by 10 you will get. So again you can apply the KVL, otherwise what will you get here? Minus 8 and then minus 8i and then minus 24 by 10i and then what will you get here? Plus 72 by 10 is equals to 0. What is the value of I you will get? I is equals to 1 by 13. Check that answer. 1 by 13 is the answer, otherwise you can get it as 0.8 divided by how much? 10.4 also. 13 8 is 1.4. Correct? Huh? Are you there in the class? Yes. 8 by 104. Correct. Wrongly connected cells problem we have done already in the morning. 12 cells that and all. Yes sir. Finish. Let's do yesterday's problems again. Nodal methodology problems. People are confusing about that. Give me the notes. Anybody has written the notes properly? Circuits at least. Our notes ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಶ್ರೀವಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಲೆಟರ್ಸು. ಇವಾಗ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಚಾಟೆ. Right. See the problems, yesterday's problems. Right. First branch problem 10 10 2, that is already you understood, right? First problem after the KVL. Branch problem 18 volts VA minus VB is equals to 18 volts problem. Yes, finished? You understood that? 10 volts 2 volts batteries are there, no, that one. Then next one is loop, single loop. That one you understood, 10 volts and then 5 volts. Single loop problem. Yesterday's problems only these are. Next problem. Again single loop only, but the batteries are given as 5 volts, 2 volts, 2 volts and then 3 volts. You understood that? Yes. Then next one is 2 loops problem. Shall I tell you from here? Yes. How to consider the nodes I will tell you. See that problem? So anywhere you can consider the 0. Here nothing is there, only resistor ena ikkada chudu, only resistor ena astena. Correct. So how much? 5. Okay fine. Listen here, listen. So here two loops problem is there. At that time I said nodal method will be easy. So here anywhere you can find out the 0. Here also you can consider the 0, otherwise here also you can consider the 0. But here if you consider means always we will take the current from the left side only. So if you consider that the left side means it will be little difficult, even then you can find out even in that way also, there is no problem in that. Just for my comfortable sake I will take here 0. This is 0 potential means this is also much here 0. Now your main important thing is where you will do mistakes, nothing but you by taking the other voltages only. How to take that I will tell you. This is 0 means let me take here, you have to find out the voltage. So I will take this as a y, point y I will take. Now my higher potential minus lower potential should be equal to how much? Battery, right? So that higher potential is y here minus lower potential is 0, that is equals to 10. Then y is equals to how much you are getting here? 10. So that here this is a 10 volts. At this point the voltage is 10 volts. Now at this point how much we have to get? Let me check again. I will shift the Y here. Now again what you have to take? Higher potential minus lower potential is equals to how much? Battery. So which is connected to the higher potential here? Higher potential is connected to the Y. So that only Y minus 10 is equals to how much you will get? 20. Then Y is equals to how much you will get? 30. So here this is 30. Now this is 30 means this is also how much? 30 only. Then people are asking how to find out the point X. Nothing but here there is a chance. Why? Because here battery is connected. Here also there is a chance. Why? Because battery is connected. Here nobody is there. No battery. So that only directly what you have to take this one as X. And the current directions I guess so from here to here like this it is there. Correct? Current directions are same. Now what you will do? Nothing but you have to take the currents entering is equals to currents leaving. That is what I can write. I1 is equals to I2 plus I3. Now I1 is in between what? X and 30. Always X should be high. Always X should be high here. So that X and then 30. In between the X and then 30 I1 is there. So that what I can write? Nothing but here X minus 30 by resistance is how much here? R1. So actually what I am considering here, X is high, 30 is low. Current direction should be in this direction. But here current direction is there in which direction? Opposite direction. So what we will consider here? Minus. That is equals to I2. I2 is there in between the X and then 0. So that what I can write? X minus 0 by R2. Same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. So there is no need to take minus. Then plus I3. I3 is in between which points here? X and 10. So that what I can write? X minus 10 divided by R3. Same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. I think R3, R1, R2, R3 is same in this problem. So find the X value. After finding the X value, substitute in this and then I1 you get, I2 you get and then I3. Don't worry about the minus and then plus and all. Okay, however the answer will be same only. Clear? Then this is about the first problem. Next one. Next one if you see, yeah, 3, 6 and then 3 ohms. This is just based on the combinations it will be easy. Three, 6, 3 and then 10 volts. So which will be easy method for this? Which will be easy method? Parallel combination of resistors. 6 and 3 is there in which combination here? Parallel combination. So what will get the net resistance? 2 ohms. The 2 and then 3 are in which combination again? ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ అది ఆఫ్ చేయరా నాన్న ఆఫ్ చేసే కంప్లీట్గా ఆఫ్ చేసే బెంచ్